Okay, this is going to be the third time we picked here. That's including when we first initially found this spot. It's right by the side of the road. Right there. My car's right there. Right there. Let's see if we can find it since I haven't been here in 3 days. So let's see what we can find in this area. This is that one area with that cluster of 12 buttons. So, yeah, right off the bat, found some already. Right here. See this mound right here? Yeah. There we go. That. Yeah, these are in deeper than the last spot we picked. And looks like there's another mound right here. Looks like there's a sign of somebody came and checked by the road here. Okay, where are you? Right there. Dang, you're in there. You're way deep in there. How big are you? You look tiny. Oh, don't tell me you're sideways. Yeah. Pancake. You see that? Pancake Belite. This is the third one I found like this here. I wonder why it does that. Looks like there's one right there in here. See, in here there's a mound right there. Okay. How to get you out? Got a piece of it. There's another mound over there. This video here is heading back to where we initially find every 3 days. See if we find how much we can find. Here's the road. See? Right there. Yeah. Right beside the road. This is gonna be a unedited version. See how we're at 3 minutes. Come up this way, work our way around. Okay, we took some out of here. Any new ones? Yeah, here. I see a mound. I don't know if you can see it, but right there, right here. That's a mound. See? This is what you want, this size. Yeah. Scanning around. Oh, that's another mound over there. It's unedited, so watch the full video. Well, I thought it was a mound, but it's not. This is about the pace you want to be at. And you want to be on the ground. Looked like somebody came through here, over here. It wasn't me. I mean, it was me before, but it looked like somebody might have came after us over here. See, I didn't do that. Somebody did that. Oh, look. It's still there. Maybe a deer. See? They covered it. Yeah. Deer? Bigfoot? Something. Okay, see if there's any more around. Something spooked me. I thought I heard something moving. We found some over here too. Let's see if there's any new one popped up. See that mound right there? Different mushroom. Different mushroom. Yeah, we haven't been here, like I said, 2-3 days after the rain and all. Hoping to find more. Not here. I did find something there last time. Let's check that. Let's check here first. This is where we initially got out of the car. This is what we found when we were from the car. Spotted this mound. Nada. Yeah, somebody came through here and tore this place up right here. I didn't do this. See this? Yeah. See that? I didn't do none of that. You know me, I cover it back. They didn't bother doing it. Okay, cover that back. So somebody must have known about this spot, came check on it. But like I said, it could also be a deer or elk. Found some around here too. What do you want to do? Yeah, look like somebody's been here. Just look a little bit outside where you found. Last time you came and you found something, look a little bit. I see one. Look a little bit outside of it. See, but here. Yeah, and these little, look under there for bumps. Look. I want to look in here. We're not finding a whole lot, but we are finding some, see? All you would need is to go to an area like this. 5, 6, 7 spots like this. Have a good day. Yeah, you really definitely have to take your time. This is where I found some too. So when you get there, just get low. Nope. Maybe next time. This looks like a mound. Here you go. Oh, don't see any. There's a mound. Are you? Your disc mushroom. Not what we want. Yeah, you want to look in there and see all these branches. You want to take a close look in there because they hide pretty well in those things. It looks like a mound right here. Are you? You are, but a different mushroom. Okay, we should find some around here. Here's a mound right here. There we go. Okay. So look outside where you last found some. This is where I found some too. I'm looking in the vegetation around these. I dug a big one up right there. First day. Oh, you see, here's the remnants of it. Yeah, oh, yucky. It was wormy. I think I chucked the wormy top far. We're not finding a whole lot, but we are finding some. Nope. Well, we're almost finished. Just this little bit of spot right here. Yeah, that's it. We're at the end of the patch. Yeah, so we didn't do too bad. The video says 13 minutes, so we got that much in 13 minutes. Yeah. And they're all tiny. That's what we want. All tiny. 15 minutes. 10 spots like that. Our day is made. Thank you for tuning in to this unedited version of how to pick the patch that you already picked. Side of the road too. So yeah, subscribe. See you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching. See ya.